చేసే మన శ్రీరాముని ముద్దుల రాణి సీతమ్మవుతోంది.
Do a lot of things on her own. The husband actually combs her hair and put bottu and the bangles and all that. That is the actual ritual behind the Seemantam. And everybody is giving her fruits and all that. That we also, right? We are filling her bowl with fruits and all that. And the in-laws are giving that what they gave her to eat was that rice and dry coconut with sugar or jaggery. That's a Chalimini. Yes. Chalimini.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations